Hey guys, it's Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer. Today I just wanted to make a quick video about our beautiful 1978 Chevy K20 Custom Deluxe. This Suburban is super cool. It's got a 454 big block in it, rebuilt quadrajet SM465 transmission, and a NP205 transfer case. "10-bolt for the front axle, 14-bolt for the rear. It has a curt trailer hitch with working RV plug. Front and rear factory AC, which is really cool. Eric's Automotive did that. It's got an LMC headlight relay upgrade, a newer 4-core radiator, newer front and rear leaf springs. It's pretty cool. We'll check out the leaf springs here. Rancho shocks all the way around. It's got 60/40 folding rear seats, which we'll check inside. New clutch and throwout bearing. This thing is going to be really cool for someone's build. The interior looks pretty good, especially considering the year. Nice seats. Door panels look pretty good, especially for being a 78. This was this guy's daily driver. AC's in the cigarette lighter there. That's pretty cool. That back bench seat's pretty cool. That folds down too. We get a lot of projects that come through here. This one's had a lot of work done. You know, all the difficult stuff, more time-consuming stuff has already been done. That new clutch and throwout bearing was done by Eric's Automotive. New Doug Thorly headers and full exhaust system was done here in Boise Muffler. As you can see, it does have a little bit of rust. A lot of rust, but we get in a lot of people that buy our stuff from out of town, especially in Utah. So it definitely helps to have, you know, walk around video, and we'll do a startup video for this and show you the underneath the hood and things like that. But this will be a really, really cool project for sure. It's got a decent amount of tread. Nice rims on this. It is a manual, which is really nice too. Let's check out underneath the hood. 454 big block. It drives really nice. I was actually pretty surprised. I'll do a startup video for it here so you can hear how it sounds. No smoke, shifts good. Engine sounds great. All right, let's start this thing up.